Have you ever wondered how to replace the headlights on a 1999 Dodge Ram 3500 camper van? Me either, but here it is.
I want to live in a camper van way down by the riverside. Mail suspicious packages to officials I don't like, but that's illegal and unfeasible and hard to do just right. So you won't catch me living in a camper van. Camper van. Camper van. Camper van. Camper van. I want to be on the evening news and run from the FBI. The FBI. Off in the woods somewhere I crave, get shot and die. But I'm told that's inadvisable by people smarter than I. So you won't catch me running from the FBI. 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 FBI.